This video, we're going to talk about topic 7.4. Given a drug strength and an order, find the volume to administer. We're going to have labels that we have to click on the pop-ups to open, so we're working these problems directly in my labs. I've also got my scientific calculator off to the side so we can take care of some of these conversions that we're going to need to make. So this drug has an order of 300 micrograms given stat, which is going to be 1 time. Let's look at this is the order. Let's look at the SDR that's on the label here. It says that we need the concentration is 300 micrograms per 0.5 milliliters. And then the SDR is 5 micrograms per kilogram per day. All right, is the prescribed dose safe? Let's go ahead and figure that out. So we're going to change pounds to kilograms. The patient's weight is 132 pounds. We're going to say that there's 2.2 pounds per kilogram. We're going to say 132 divided by 2.2 is going to be 60. And then we want 5 micrograms per kilogram times 60 kilograms. It's going to be 5 times 60 is 300. This is per day. Per day. So this is safe. And we're going to go ahead and select option A here. I'm sorry, no, it's not too small or too large, it's safe. So now we're going to figure out, since it's safe, how much we are going to dispense. So 300 micrograms times, and then there's 300 micrograms per 0.5 milliliters. This will cancel and we'll dispense 0.5 milliliters. So there we go. Check that. Awesome. And then clear my annotations here. Start with the next problem. This drug is ordered 6 milligrams subcutaneous once per chemotherapy cycle, at least 240 hours after chemotherapy. All right. So read the label. Let's see here. And it says that we're looking at a concentration (6 milligrams per 0.6 milliliters of solution in a syringe here. All right, so that is the same as 1 milligram per 10th of a milliliter, or 10 milligrams per milliliter, however you want to express that concentration. But let's go with what they said on the label here, that there's 6 milligrams in 0.6 milliliters. We're not asked about SDR here. We're just asked how much will you need to administer. So we need the 6 milligrams to go on the bottom with the concentration, 0.6 milliliters to go on top, and we'll need to administer 0.6 milliliters. There we go. Clear the drawings and look at the next problem here. Order for this drug is 100 milligrams subcutaneous once per day. How many milliliters will you administer per dose? Let's look at the concentration that's on the label, and it says that it's 100 milligrams for 0.67 milliliters. So we're going to multiply by the milligrams on the bottom, 0.67 milliliters on the top, and 0.67 milliliters is what we're going to administer. Then we are going to have an order for 40 micrograms subcutaneous every 6 hours. Let's read the label here and see that the concentration here is 1 milliliter contains 50 micrograms of medicine. And it doesn't give us any more information there about a safe dosage, but the problem tells us that our SDR is 100 to 600 micrograms per day, divided between 2 and 4 doses. So this is 4 doses a day. So that's fine that it's divided in 2 to 4. Let's go ahead and multiply by 4 doses a day. So 24 hours in a day. I'm going to get this to be 4. So this is 160 micrograms per day. That's within the SDR. So that's good. We're going to now say that we need 40 micrograms times 50 micrograms in 1 milliliter. Micrograms will cancel. both divisible by 10. 4 divided by 5 is 0.8 milliliters per dose. And that is right there. And that's all of our problems for topic 7.4. We'll come back next time and talk about topic 7.5. See you for the next video.